Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at the fitness center here at the Remy in Frisco, and I just want to show a few of the things that they have here. So they've got some treadmills that are over here. It's all new, it's really pretty. They've got some free weight sections over here that's really cool. There's a Smith machine that's over here, and forgive it, there's actually a little bit of fan going on, so forgive the background noise. But this is what it looks like over here. So you've got some ellipticals over there. You've got more machines. You really have quite a bit going on here. You've got this really cool Life Fitness machine, this huge machine where you can do a lot of arm and leg things, lats. You've got a Stairmaster machine over here. It's a pretty big, I would say this is an A fitness center. And hey, it doesn't stop because there's actually a second level. Let's go to that second level right now. Crazy going to the second level. Okay, more. So second level, you're going to see this is a kind of a studio area. So you're going to have rowing machines, you're going to have spin machines, and you're going to have all sorts of windows and really cool lighting here too. So this is what it looks like over here. Really nice. You can put in a program there and work the program, and it's a really cool kind of second, more private floor. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll answer your questions.